Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You're looking at Lesson 8, Spreadsheet, Sorting, Part 2, Filter and Sort. You will use the same spreadsheet you used in Part 1. Filters are used to find specific values based on rows of data. You will then be asked to sort the data several different ways with filters. To activate filters in Google Sheets, you click on Data, Filter, and you will have drop boxes appear on the spreadsheet. It would be best to watch the video and see how this works for this lesson. You'll notice that we have sorting for 1, 2, 3 for filters, and then we have the old sort, just so we don't forget how to do it, for number 4. Okay, with no further ado, let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, to start this one off, I'm going to click on Data, and you're going to see Create a Filter. And when we do that, all these filters appear, as you can see right here. Okay? So, now the first one we're going to do is let's look at State. So I'm going to click on State, and I'm going to click on Clear All, and then I'm only going to choose California. And we'll click on OK. And you'll notice only California appears. Alright, now to go back, we'll click here, we'll click on Select All, and hit OK, and we're right back where we were. Okay, the second filter, let's do ages. So on this one, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to hit Clear All, but let's choose Select 9, and hit OK. And you'll notice only one person shows up who's 9 years old. So we're going to go back to the filter, okay, and we're going to hit Select All again and click on OK. So there we go. So now we're right back to where we were originally. Okay, number 3. We are going to do multiple columns with the filter sort. To do that, the first thing we're going to do, very simply, obviously, is click on the first one that we want to click on is click on Gender. Okay, so I'm going to click here for Gender, and then we want to click on, hit Clear, and we're going to check on Female and click on OK. Next, we want to click on State, hit Clear, and we're going to click on California and hit OK. So you'll notice we only have California females from California. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Okay, to go back and clear those out, what we're going to do here is click on here. I'm going to click on Select All and click on OK. And then over here for age, we're going to click on All and click on, we had we had genders, didn't we? Okay, I'm going to hit Select All, and we got them all. So right back to where we normally were before. Now that's filters 1, 2, and 3. Okay, sorting. Now the last one, you'll notice what we're going to do is the old sort, so we don't forget how to do it. I'm going to take my mouse, and I am going to highlight the whole spreadsheet. Okay, then I'm going to click on the word Data, and we want Sort Range. And remember this, we don't want to sort our data row, our header row, so we must click there, okay? Next, we're going to sort by age. And our second sort will be by, click here, we'll have State. And click on Sort. Okay, so we sorted by age. As you'll notice, 9, 16, 22, see how it's going up? And it's all within the state. And it's hard to prove this one. Oh yeah, here we go, Arkansas. We have 7, well, they're both the same. So that doesn't really tell us much, does it? and Kansas. Luckily, they're both the same also. Oh, good. So that wasn't very encouraging. But we have a sort here within the state. Okay, well, oh, and don't forget this. Command Z to set it back, or Control Z if you're dealing with a Windows machine. Command Z, remember? Command Z if you're dealing with Mac, and Control Z if it's a Windows machine. Okay, hopefully you remember now how to do all this, and you're doing okay. And we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.